Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Binance Referral program. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Binance app. Then you will need to activate the Pro version of the app, because in the Lite version you won't see some of the features. Now don't worry, because the Pro version is the same app, so it's not a premium subscription. You just have to activate it. And then when you have the Pro version, you will have to swipe up to the top and you will see here the referral icon. When you tap on it, you can apply for the referral code and you can invite your friends and receive a nice percentage of their tradings. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.